If you are a beginner who doesn't know how to create menu and submenu for your WordPress site, then this video is for you. Today, I will teach you how easy it is to create menu and submenu for your WordPress site. So with that said, let's begin. Okay, right now I am on my dashboard at the back end of my WordPress site. Actually, there are two ways to create menu and submenu for your WordPress site, okay? So I'll be showing you the first one. The first one is you need to go to Appearance, and then of course you need first to log into your WordPress site so that you can go to the dashboard, and then once you log in, just click or just go to Appearance, and then under Appearance click on Menus. Okay, here is the page where we can create menus for our WordPress site. Actually, this one is the automatically generated ones for our WordPress. And to show you the appearance of my website, here we go. Here is actually the auto-generated menus for my WordPress site, okay? Because I am using a free theme and I am using a subdomain. After installing the theme, actually the theme itself generates menus for my WordPress site, okay? But this one looks ugly, okay? I don't like this menus available in here, so I'll be changing this one, okay? So I will be removing everything in here. So these are the ones that you can see in here. These ones are the ones in here that you can see. So I'm going to delete all of this one because we need to create our own menus, okay? So wait for a while. Okay, I'm done deleting the default auto-generated menus. So in creating menus for our WordPress site, we need to add name for our menu. Let's say, for example, this is my website menu, site menu 1, okay? I'll name it as site menu 1, and then click on create menu. Okay, here we go. Before we save this one, we need to add menus in here, okay? This is where we can add menus. It's empty, so we need to add, let's say, I'll be choosing home page, home. I'll be adding home, okay. I will also add privacy policy, contact us, and then I will also add sample page and click add new. Actually, these are all the available pages on your WordPress site. If you don't know how to create one, just go to pages, add new. Let's say for the sake of this example, I'm going to add new page so that I can show you how it works. Let's say this page is all about terms and conditions of the website, okay? And I'll not add anything inside in here because this is just an example, okay? I'll click publish, and once it's published, then let's just refresh this one. I'll need first to refresh this one. So we have already added a new page to our WordPress site, which is terms and conditions. So for it to appear here, it will be showing up in here once we click on refresh. We will need first to refresh. Once it's refreshed, just wait for okay, here we go. It's terms and conditions. It's already showing up in here. So for the sake of this example, we will choose this terms and conditions, contact us, and the home page. Where is the home page now? I'll just click this tab, view all. Okay, here we go. Home page, privacy policy. Let's say we will be also including this sample pages or sample page, and click on add. Okay, we are now adding new menus to our WordPress site. Oh, the contact us was not included. Let's include this one, and together with the terms and conditions. Okay, here we go. Okay, that's how easy it is for you to create menu for your WordPress site. And if you want this menu in here to show up in here, what you'll need to do first is you need to check the box for primary menu. And after checking the box for primary menu, then click on save. So once it's saved, take a look. I am now refreshing this page. So here we go. Here is our new menu that we ourselves have just created earlier. If you want to, let's say for example, you want the sample page to be the second, to be the second one, just move it in here. And once it's moved, click on save, and let's check the result by refreshing our website. And that's it. The sample page is now on second place. Earlier I have just told you that I will also teach you how to create submenu, which is, let's say for example, I will be adding drop down submenu in here under the sample page menu. How am I going to do that? It's very easy, just follow me. So let's say I will be adding donation under this sample page. Check this box under donation history and donation failed, then click add to menu, and then after that, once they are added, you need to drag this donation history under this sample page, and the other one, the donation failed, drag this one up into sample page under sample page. If you want even more, then just choose the page you want to add under here. So let's say this, the right sidebar, I will add it under here, under sample page. And let's say under privacy policy, I'll be adding submenu under this privacy policy. So I will be choosing the, let's say, no sidebar. I'll be adding this too under privacy policy. So here we go. Here it is. Here they are, the no sidebar. I'll be putting this under privacy policy together with the second one. Okay, here we go. Let's just click on save. Every time that you made changes to this submenu structure in here, you need to make sure that you click on save menu, and then refresh this page, and let's see the result. Okay, there is already a drop down menu. So that's how easy it is for you to create menu and submenu for your WordPress site. Actually, this is just one way of creating or making submenu and menu for your WordPress site. So the other way of creating menus and submenu for your WordPress site is just to make sure that I can properly teach you how to do it, we need to remove this menus again that we have just created, so that we can create again another menus using a different way. So let's remove this one so that I can teach you the second way of creating menus and submenu. And then let's just save this one. Okay, and refresh. Let's refresh this one first. Okay, there is no more menus in here. Now, the second way of creating menus and submenu for your WordPress site is just by means of opening this customize or option under appearance. So let's open it up and on a different window. Here we go. This is the theme customizer. So for you to add menus in here, you need to choose menus. Let's say, here we go. Here is the menus. Click on it, and then here you can create new menus. This is the one that we have just created earlier. And if you want another menu, let's say, let's create site menu 2. Earlier we created site menu 1, but we deleted everything inside the site menu 1. But for the sake of this example, we will be adding another menu, which is site menu 2. And we will put this in here in primary menu. So we need to check this one and then click next. And then we will be adding new items inside this menu. So let's click on add new items. We will add home, and we will add terms and conditions. We will add privacy policy. We will also add contact us. We will also add sample page. So here we go. As what you can see, everything that we added in here are already showing up in here on the main page of our website. So let's click on publish. Once it's published, then they are all there. And let's refresh the home page. And as what you can see, they are all added. These are the menus that we have just created. If you want to add submenus in here, it's very easy. Let's check. Let's say, for example, we will add another item. There are so many options in here. So, for example, under this sample page, I will add this right sidebar and left sidebar. So, and I want this sample, and I want this right sidebar and left sidebar to be under this main menu sample page. So I'll be just dragging this to the right, and also the same with this one. I'll be dragging this to the right, and that's how easy it is for you to create submenus under menu. Okay, so under menu item, which is sample page, there is already a submenu. You can see it in here. After making changes on the left side, right away you will see it on the right side. In here you can see the result of what you did on the left side in here, okay, under customization. So, but it will not yet show up in here unless you click on publish in here. So let's say, for example, I'm going to add submenu under privacy policy. So I'll click another item by clicking on add items. You will see another option in here. If you want some of them to be placed under privacy policy, you can do it. So let's say, for example, you want to add donation, then donation history, donation failed, donation confirmation. I want to add this three under privacy policy. So I'm going to click this one and this one as well, and also this one. Here they are already showing up in here, but they became the main menu items. But I want them to be added under this privacy policy. So I'll drag this one up under privacy policy. And also same with this one, donation failed. Drag this one up under privacy policy and drag this one as well up. Actually, you can also make changes to this one. If you want for this donation confirmation to be the first one under privacy policy, you can do it so. And then here we go. This is already the result of what we did. Under sample page, you can see there is drop down. Under privacy policy, there are already drop down menu options. So that's how easy it is. After you after making changes to this page, just click on publish, and we are already done. That's how easy it is for you to create menus and submenu to your WordPress site. Actually, you can also place this menu in here under this widget. If you want to add menus in the widget, you can do it so. You can just click in here, click back again, and then click on widget. So if you want menus to be placed on the right sidebar, so you can click right sidebar and then add widget items, and we need to choose menu. And here is the navigation menu. So we need to place it in here. Let's say I want this navigation menu to be in here instead of this color mag. I want this color mag advertisement to be under the page menu. So here is the one that we have added, the page navigation menu. I am going to place this above, and then I will label this as main page, main pages. As what you can see, as I am typing, they will show up in here. But anyway, let me first choose menu 2. Okay, here we go. Here is the main pages that I have just created in here. As what you can see, they are all already available. The home page, terms and conditions, privacy policy, as what we did earlier. We placed donations, donation confirmation, and all the donation items under privacy policy. And we have also added submenu to our sample pages or page. That's why it showed up in here. So that's how easy it is for you to add to create menu and submenu for your WordPress site. So I think that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like, subscribe, and share this with others. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.